This is your magical journey into nature to replenish your energy, to expand, to relax, and to take a moment of a mini vacation for yourself. Begin by making yourself comfortable wherever you are laying or sitting. Stretch, move, and breathe gently, deeper in and out. And let yourself relax even more with each breath that you take. And let's begin by taking a journey into your favorite place in nature. It can be a place where you have been before, or it can be a place that you make up in your mind now. What is your favorite place in nature that you want to visit in your mind right now? And start imagining as if you're seeing or feeling yourself in this beautiful place right now. What colors would surround you? What shapes and forms surround you? And as you start entering into your beautiful place of nature, imagine feeling the ground beneath your feet. It may be surprising. What does it feel like? Or what would it feel like if you were walking into your magical place? And let the colors and the energy that surround you here become even more brilliant than they already were. Wonderful. And step even more into your magical place. And notice how you're feeling calmer. And how the wonderful feelings are soothing to your heart and soul as you step even more deeply into your magical place. And I'd like to invite you on a journey to explore nature in its various expressions, so that you can bring with you replenished energies from the different elements that nature offers us. So first, let us explore the element of water by going to a beautiful beach. You can make the beach up in your mind exactly the way you like it, either with a brilliant sandy beach and turquoise water, or design it exactly the way you'd like it to be. What kind of shore or beach would you like to experience? And then allow yourself to enter that beach and let your feet touch the ground, walking along the edge of the waterline with a vast expanse of the ocean waters glistening and being there for you. And for a moment, stand still and face the ocean water. and let the water touch your feet. If you wish, you can step deeper into the gentle slopes of this beach and dip into the warming waters of this ocean. And let the salt water wash you and cleanse you with its minerals and its magical ability to purify us. You can either sit at the shore and surround you gently a little bit, or you can dive deeper into it, whatever feels right for you. Take a moment to imagine stretching out here where the shores of the ocean meet the beach, playing with the water and the sand, and letting yourself be cleansed by the sunlight and the water, rejuvenated and recharged. And notice as you do, if you breathe in the energy of this wonderful ocean energy, what colors would you absorb into yourself? And notice the colors and energy growing in your heart, filling you, flowing through you, purifying every cell in your body and rejuvenating you. And now let's step out of the ocean water, standing up again, and let's go to a sweetwater waterfall to notice the healing powers of the sweet water deeper in the jungle. And as you leave the beach behind you, let us walk to a nearby pool of healing waters, where a waterfall is cascading down rocks and ferns and moss to bring with it the healing powers of this sweetwater waterfall. And as you come closer to this pool of water, you notice the rich green colors surrounding you, the mosses and the leaves, and the sunlight filtering in just right there where the magical pool of healing waters is awaiting you. And as you step closer, you let your feet touch the refreshing waters of the waterfall, and it can be the right, perfect temperature for you, gently greeting you as you step into the water of this pool. The water cascading down invites you to step into the pool and to bathe. It's just shallow enough or deep enough for you to swim inside. In your own magical jungle pool with pure, clean water, you swim over to the cascading waterfall and step onto a large platform of a flat rock, feeling the spray of the white water coming down, mingling light, bubbles, oxygen, water, over top of you and cascading over all your body, bringing with it oxygen, light, and water into your system, into your aura. Allow yourself to feel the purification of this pool of water and the waterfall. And as this water is touching you, and the green color of the moss is nurturing you, breathe in the oxygen that surrounds you. Feel the purification of the water and the blessing of the universe showering you. When as you feel cleansed and purified from your sacred pool, let us say farewell and step out of this magical little kingdom and explore pure sunlight. And in your mind, you can go to a place where you can experience pure sunlight streaming down onto you. This may be at the beach. It may be in a vast, pure desert of light. Or you may fly into the sun rays, directly making contact with the rays of light from the sun. And as you step into that vision of touching the rays of the light of the sun, raise your gaze to the center of the sun. And as if the pure light comes straight from the sun, radiating through all your cells, step into this beam of light and let the very core of your being be touched by the light of the sun, purified and cleansed and transformed, touching every cell of your body, touching every molecule in your body, even down to the DNA level of your body. Let the sunlight bring energy, purification, and adjustment of any parts within you that would like to be transformed, be more brilliant and luminous, and filled with light. And let all of your cells be touched by this light, flowing back out your feet, out your hands, and filling the world around you. And as if this energy rises back up to the sun, let it come up like a fountain through you and up, touching the sun and picking up new light, new energy, new thoughts, new inspiration from the sun and radiating it back down on you. And as you feel more inspired or touched by this light, thank the sunlight for giving you illumination from the inside out. And let us explore the energy of the wind. In your mind, imagine that you could go to a beautiful place where you could fly. This could be a landscape of mountains, the desert, the ocean, forests, or pastures. And as you do, imagine you become a being of wings, angelic or like a bird, and greet the power and the beauty of the air. As if you could fly into the air, glide on top of the landscape with the wind being under your wings, carrying you, touching the wind with your chest and feeling it flow past you. Glowing, gliding, flowing above the landscapes of your choice, free like a bird. Allow your mind to soar. Be as gentle or as powerful as you would like to be, and take a moment to enjoy the element of the air touching your whole body, supporting you, breathing oxygen into your lungs, letting the wind support you on the outside and the oxygen from the inside. Allow yourself to tumble and swirl, play and fly to be free in your soul, enjoying the wind as a supportive energy as well as a purifying energy flowing into and through you. And now imagine as if you could go straight up, swirling up to the center of creation, the central sun, or the center of all that is. Ascending higher and higher, closer and closer to the center of all creation. And as you do, more wisdom flows through you, and you see the center of creation coming closer and closer. And with a whoosh, you fly through the very center. And you come out through the funnel into all that is. And notice the stillness that surrounds you, and the sublime light of divine light touching you. Take a moment to enjoy this stillness and feel the true essence of who and what you are beyond time and space. And now let us take the journey back to the ocean where we started our journey. Start by entering that funnel and letting yourself again be carried by the winds, spiraling down to fly as free as a bird over the scenario of your choice. And explore for a moment longer the freedom to fly. And then gently let yourself come back down to the beach where we started our journey. Gently gliding back down onto the beautiful beach that you had imagined, letting your feet touch the ground, feeling replenished and nourished from the purifying ocean waters to the energizing waters of the magic healing pool, deeply touched by the light of the sun and the freedom and the power of the cleansing energy of oxygen, all the way to a place beyond time-space, bringing with you all these elements, insights and inspirations. Let us return back to normal states of consciousness by starting to breathe deeper into your belly, bringing oxygen into your chest and into your body. Starting to wiggle your fingers and toes. Starting to stretch your arms and legs. Bring the power and the energies and the insights from the natural forces that you have visited into your daily life, being purified, rejuvenated, and recharged. Take another deep breath in, straightening your back, strengthening your internal organs by moving around. Taking another deep breath in. Fold your hands in front of your heart, coming to a completion with this journey into the elements of nature. Namaste.